today, or yeah, today I took a trade. I made 3.7 across 5 accounts, so that's $18,000. And yeah, I'm actually really proud of this trade and my analysis of it. So let's pull up the calendar. Yeah, so 3.7, and then you get into it on TradingView. And Q. Okay, so let's get into a recap of today's price action. So, right there. There's one more candle. Let's see. Different bar. All right, so going into the day, you can see on the higher time frames, it's well, this is the candle, but before that, it was pretty rangy. There were some lows over here, but I wasn't really looking at those. I was kind of just looking at this range low that was put in. Wait, where the hell even am I? Yeah, okay. Like this range low was like pretty prominent. But I was mainly more bullish today because of all these highs up here. There's this high. This is a daily gap up here, and then London high from a couple days ago, Asia high, and then today's London high. So kind of just wanted higher, to be honest. And then we get a move lower, and then I wanted to enter this, but I didn't really get an entry. I didn't really want to like enter so close to market open when it's the most volatile. And then yeah, that ends up hitting eventually. I probably would have got break even on this if I took it. But yeah, that ends up hitting. So then I'm looking at Asia high. If I get an entry there, we end up edging it by 7 points, and that's not really ever a good sign. I wanted to get an entry off this 5 minutes gap, but that never happens. And then we invert. This is a clean area to enter shorts if you like a discretionary shorts. If you see the sweep of London, the failure to take Asia, and considering we're within a range, then like a higher time frame range makes sense to go target the other side. But I didn't take that. I didn't really want shorts. I kind of married my bias a little bit, but yeah. So we get this bullish move up. I wanted to take something off here because I thought it would go up now, but we were in this 15-minute gap right here. I'll mark that out. This is another setup for shorts that I also didn't end up taking because I just didn't want shorts. But there's a good entry. This is also a good entry, targeting this low right here. That ends up hitting, I believe. Yeah, it does. So then I was considering getting off here. Like it's kind of late in the day. I think price could easily just range here, but I decided to wait a little bit. And then I see this move higher. And then move higher. I think I took my entry like right here, I want to say. And then I targeted this high up here. This was a good trade. Played out a little bit. I go break even here. And yeah, this well, it doesn't fully hit, but I close when ES took it out. We can actually just pull that up right here. Yeah, I close like right here. For like a 3.81 RR trade. Yeah, so basically the main reason why I wanted longs here was because I viewed this 4 hour low here as very high resistance. And also, if you look on the daily gap, sorry, if you look on the daily, this is an unfilled daily gap. So, with how the market's supposed to move, if it's in a downtrend, this, it only makes sense before taking this low, it would have to go up to this gap right here and then going low. So I was never gonna target that, but it makes sense to target the range low in this scenario. But if we're in a range, we take out the low, we're immediately in discount of the range. So that means longs, you don't want to short then. So I kind of just wanted any retrace to long, considering all of the stacked highs we have. And yeah, so I was able to have my biggest day ever on this trade. I'm very proud of my analysis and that I stayed patient. And yeah, so I have one winning day on these accounts, 4.7 in 4 of them, and then 3.4 in 1 new account. So yeah, so let's see what we're doing now and if it's feasible to take this daily gap tomorrow. Delete all that. We're kind of moving lower, but check the 4 hour, nothing really there. Maybe we're not gonna go take this daily gap, but I would really much prefer we do tomorrow. But yeah, all right, I'll see y'all next time I take a trade, and peace out.